Good evening, my dear students. Welcome to my channel Desire to Learn with Mukesh. So today in this video we are going to discuss session ending exam paper of class 6th science. Kendra Vidya Sangathan comes under Bhubaneswar region. So here total mark was 60 and time duration was 2.5 hour, that is 2 hour and 30 minutes. So first general instructions. There are four sections. Section A MCQ multiple choice questions. Section B short answer questions, section C long answer questions, and section D is your case based questions. Section A MCQ questions 1 to 12 carries 1 mark each. Section B short answer questions 13 to 18 2 marks each, write in 20 to 30 words. Section C long answer questions 19 to 22 3 marks each, write in 30 to 40 words. Section D case based questions 23 to 26 6 marks each. Draw the diagrams wherever necessary. First we will discuss section A, that is multiple choice questions. And question number 1, carbohydrates can be tested by using iodine solution, caustic soda, copper sulfate, failing solution. Answer will be iodine solution, option A. Deficiency of dash causes scurvy, vitamin C. Okay. A small child became very thin and lean, and later he became so weak that he could not move. Which nutrients should he eat so as to improve his health? So your answer will be both carbohydrate and proteins. Option C. The process of grouping the things on the basis of similar properties is called classification. Option B. Transparent materials allow the light to pass through them completely. Option B. Butter is separated from milk by churning. Option C. Which method is used to separate pebbles and stones from sand? Answer is sieving. Option C. The process of conversion of water into its vapors is called evaporation. Option A. Which one of the following is a function of leaves? Photosynthesis, transpiration, both A and B. Supports fruit, both A and B. Photosynthesis and transpiration, both A and B. Option C. Which is a correct set of parts of a pistil? Parts of a pistil are ovary, style, and stigma. Option B. Which of the following are ball and socket joints? Shoulder joint. Okay. Shoulder joint is ball and socket joint. Okay. Which of the following are ball and socket joints? A and B, B and C, A and C, B and D. Shoulder joint and hip joint. Okay, D, option D, that is B and D. Shoulder joint and hip joint. These are the ball and socket joints, Then one of the following does not have a hinge joint. This one is hinge joint, shoulder. Because in the previous question we see that the shoulder is ball and socket joint. So this is the answer. This is not hinge joint. Jaw, elbow and knee are hinge joint, but shoulder is a ball and socket joint. So this one is not a hinge joint. Okay, option D. Now section B. Plants in hilly areas have to bear high speed of winds and cold. Which adaptation best helps them to face such conditions? So you can write answers like this. The adaptation that helps plants in hilly areas to face high speed winds and cold is the conical shape and needle shaped leaves. The conical shape of the trees in hilly areas helps the plant to survive by sliding off and getting rid of the snow or ice that falls on the trees. The trees form a waxy substance on the leaves that seals moisture in, due to the fact that thin soil in the mountains cannot retain moisture. Also, plants in the far north or high on mountains grow close to the ground in order to protect themselves from the wind. So these are the adaptations. Okay, conical shape and needle shaped leaves. Next, what are nocturnal animals? Give two examples of nocturnal animals. Animals that sleep during the day and stay active at night are called nocturnal animals. Example, owls, bats. Okay, these are. Two cells can be joined in two ways, in series and in parallel. What do you mean by these two ways? In which way the cells are joined in a torch? In series, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell, but in parallel, the positive terminal connects with the other cell's positive terminal, and a negative terminal is connected to the other cell's negative terminal only. Okay. In the torch, two or more cells are connected to each other, and this structure is known as battery. So, in torch, the cells are connected in series. Then 16 give the symbol of following: cell, battery, lamp, switch off. Okay. So this is the symbol of electric cell. You can see here plus ending, minus ending, positive ending, negative ending, switch in off position. Okay. Electric bulb and battery. Battery is the combination of some cells. Okay. What happens when a pole of a bar magnet says its north pole is marked with a chalk and suspended freely? What do you observe on rotating the bar magnet? The marked pole comes to rest in north direction. The north end of the freely suspended bar magnet always point toward the geographical north, because the geographical north pole of the earth is the magnetic south pole of the earth. On rotating after some time, it again comes to rest in north direction only. Match the following items given in column A with column B. So you can see here magnetite is the first magnet. Okay, name of first magnet is magnetite. Iron, nickel and cobalt are magnetic substances. Like poles of two magnets repel each other. Lodestone is used to find out north and south directions. In section C, observe the following figures and state which type of motion is that. So you can see this is called your rectilinear. Okay, this is your rectilinear, and this is your what we call circular, and this is your periodic. This is your periodic. Rectilinear, circular and periodic. Okay, rectilinear, circular and periodic. Write any three properties of a magnet. Okay, you can write three properties of a magnet. Magnet has two poles, north and south pole. Same poles of two magnets repel each other. Opposite poles of two magnets attract each other. Then differentiate between magnetic and non-magnetic material. So you can write answer to this question, or you can also write answer to this question. Okay. So difference between magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Substances that are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic substances. As example, iron, cobalt, nickel. Substances that are not attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic substances. Example, aluminum, copper, wood. Okay. Next is 1 centimeter equal to dash millimeter. 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. Okay. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to dash centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. This is very easy question. 1 millimeter equal to dash centimeter. 1 millimeter equal to 0.1 centimeter, because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So 1 millimeter will be equal to 0.1 centimeter. 1 hectometer equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. So 1 hectometer will be 0.1 kilometer. Okay, classify the following as transparent, translucent and opaque. So transparent, here transparent are clear water and air. These are transparent. T. Okay. Then translucent are oiled paper, translucent. Okay. Then a colored glass plane is also translucent. Okay, TR, translucent. Then opaque, aluminum foil is opaque, cardboard is opaque. O. Okay. So transparent are clear water and air. Translucent are oil paper and colored glass pan, and opaque are aluminum foil and cardboard. Transparent means through which light can passes completely easily. Okay. Translucent means in which light can pass through partially, and opaque means through which light cannot pass. Light can't pass. Observe the given figure and answer the following questions. An electric cell has dash terminals, two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. Here is the positive and here is the negative. A device that is used to break an electric circuit is called switch. Okay. Instead of metal wires, a jute string can be used to make a circuit. No, it is false. Instead of metal wire, jute string can't be used as a used in circuit. Then our body is a good conductor of electricity. The filament of a bulb is made up of tungsten. A bulb lights up only in a closed circuit. Only in a closed circuit, a bulb lights. Then read the given information and answer the following questions. Adaptation in animals and plants. Adaptation refers to the behavioral or physical attributes of an animal that helps them survive better in its ecosystem. Animal adaptation can be in the way they look, camouflage to escape from their predators. Different animals have developed different adaptations to survive in their habitat. Animals and plants have certain features which make them to survive in a particular habitat. This is called adaptation, which is not an abiotic component of environment. Soil, bacteria, water, air. Water, air, and soil are abiotic component, but bacteria is a biotic component. So bacteria is not an abiotic component. What are the characteristics of a desert plant? No leaves or very small leaves, spines, deep roots, all of these. Okay? All of these. Which one of these animals can live on land as well as in water? This is your frog. Okay. What are camels' long legs for? Camels' long legs is for to keep further away from hot ground. The removal of waste substances from the body is called excretion. Okay, next. Observe the given figure and answer the following questions. A mirror reflects a beam of light. Okay. The object which does not have light. The object which does not have light of its own is called star. Sorry. Shining mirror, light bulb, lighted matchbox. The object which does not have light. Light bulb has light, star has light, lighted matchbox has own light, but shining mirror does not have own light. So answer will be shining mirror. This one. Shining mirror. A lighted torch is a luminous. Okay. The objects which allow light to pass through them are called transparent. Substances through which light can pass partially and things cannot be seen clearly through they are called translucent. The pinhole image of sun is circular. The ray of light that falls on a plane mirror is called incident ray. The ray of light that falls on a plane mirror is called incident ray. You know incident ray and reflected ray. Okay. Read the information and answer the following questions. Composition of air: nitrogen 78%, 21% oxygen, 1% carbon dioxide, argon, water, vapor, other gases. Okay. Air is mostly gas. Air is all around us, but we can't see it. So, what is air exactly? It's a mixture of different gases. The air in Earth's atmosphere is made up of approximately 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Air also has small amounts of lots of other gases too, such as the carbon dioxide, neon, and hydrogen. The two gases which together make up about 99% of the air is your nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21, so total 99. Right? Wind does not help in the movement of uh, Firky, weathercock, ceiling fan, sailing yacht. Weathercock, Firky, and sailing yacht are depends upon the movement of wind, but ceiling fan is not. Ceiling fan moves due to electricity, right? So ceiling fan wind does not help in the movement of ceiling fan. Okay. Envelope of air that surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. Okay. Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them because there is deficiency of oxygen on mountains at high altitude. There is no oxygen for on mountains. Oxygen is used for cooking. Oxygen keeps them warm at low temperature. Answer will be there is deficiency of oxygen on mountains at high altitude. Which of the following gas is used for breathing? Obviously, oxygen. Water is found in the air in the form of water vapor. Okay. So this was the question paper, class 6 science. I think you have understood better. Okay, and I think you have written also well in your examination. I wish you all the best for your result, which is about to come. Now you will be promoted to the next class. I wish you all the best for your upcoming class, that is your seventh class. So keep growing, keep learning. Okay, thank you.